Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate bank linking with Webull step by step clearly. To activate bank linking with Webull, start by opening the Webull app on your device. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the main menu located at the bottom of your screen. Tap on the account icon, which usually resembles a person or profile. In the account section, look for banking or funds. Select banking to proceed to the bank linking options. Tap on Link Bank Account or a similar prompt to begin the linking process. You will be presented with options to choose your bank from a list or enter your bank details manually. If you choose to search for your bank, type the name of your bank in the search bar. Once you find your bank, tap on it to continue. If you opt to enter your bank details manually, ensure you have your account number and routing number ready. Follow the on-screen instructions to input your details accurately. Next, you may need to verify your identity, which could involve receiving a verification code via email or SMS. Enter the verification code if prompted. After completing the verification process, review your bank details for accuracy. Once confirmed, tap on Submit to finalize the linking process. You should receive a notification that your bank account is now linked successfully. Monitor your account activity to ensure the linking is working as intended. If you encounter any issues, return to the banking section for troubleshooting tips or contact customer support. That's the complete process for activating bank linking with Webull. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.